Hi students, today I am doing the problems based on compound angles. If sin x equal to 3 by 5, cos y equal to minus 12 by 13, where x and y both lie in second quadrant, find the values of sin of x plus y and cos of x plus y. Sin of x plus y formula is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Cos of x plus y equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. It's given that sin x equal to 3 by 5. So here we have to find cos x. Cos y is given by minus 12 by 13. So here we have to find sin y. Given that sin x equal to 3 by 5, we have sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. We have sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Sin x equal to we have 3 by 5 whole square plus cos square x equal to 1. It implies we have cos square x equal to 1 minus 9 by 25 equal to 16 by 25. It implies we are having cos x equal to plus or minus 4 by 5. Cos x equal to plus or minus 4 by 5, where x and y both lie in second quadrant. Since x lies in the second quadrant, cos x is negative. Since x lies in second quadrant, in second quadrant we know that only sin x and cosecant x are positive. Cos x is negative. Since x lies in second quadrant, cos x is negative. Therefore, cos x equal to minus 4 by 5. Cos x equal to minus 4 by 5. Now, cos y is given to us. Given that cos y equal to minus 12 by 13. Sin square y plus cos square y equal to 1. It implies we have sin square y plus cos y equal to minus 12 by 13 whole square equal to 1. Then it implies we have sin square y equal to 1 minus 144 by 169. 1 minus 144 by 169. 169 minus 144 by 169 equal to 25 by 169. Therefore, sin y equal to plus or minus 5 by 13. Sin y equal to plus or minus 5 by 13. Since y lies in second quadrant, sin y is positive. In second quadrant, sin y and cosecant y are positive. So here we have to take sin y is positive. Since y lies in second quadrant, sin y is positive. Sin y equal to plus 5 by 13. Now we have sin x, cos x, sin y and cos y is given. Now we can find sin of x plus y and cos of x plus y. Sin of x plus y equal to the formula for sin of a plus b. Now sin of x plus y equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y equal to sin x equal to 3 by 5 into cos y equal to minus 12 by 13 plus cos x equal to minus 4 by 5 into sin y equal to 5 by 13 plus 5 by 13 it is. So it implies minus 36 by 65 minus 20 by 65 equal to 65 LCM minus 36 minus 20, so minus 56 by 65. Sin of x plus y equal to minus 56 by 65. Now we have to find cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y equal to, the formula for cos of x plus y is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y equal to, here cos x equal to minus 4 by 5 into cos y equal to minus 12 by 13 minus sin x equal to 3 by 5 into sin y equal to plus 5 by 13, then 48 by 65 minus 15 by 65, LCM 65, 48 minus 15 equal to 33 by 65. Therefore, cos of x plus y equal to 33 by 65. If alpha and beta are acute angles such that tan alpha equal to m by m plus 1 and tan beta equal to 1 by 2m plus 1, prove that alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4. Given that tan alpha equal to m by m plus 1 and tan beta equal to 1 by 2m plus 1, now we have to prove that alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4. Tan of alpha plus beta equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta equal to tan alpha equal to m by m plus 1 plus tan beta equal to 1 by 2m plus 1 whole by 1 minus tan alpha equal to m by m plus 1 into tan beta equal to 1 by 2m plus 1 equal to m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 m into 2m plus 1 plus 1 into m plus 1 whole by, here LCM is m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. Then here we have 1 into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 minus m into 1 m. Now here these two are cancelled. Now multiply m with 2m plus 1. Then we get 2m square m into 1 plus m plus m plus 1 whole by m into 2m plus 1, 2m square, m into 1 plus m, 1 into 2m plus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus m whole by 2m square plus 2m plus 1 whole by 2m square plus 2m plus 1. Numerator and denominator are same, so that we can take it as, we can cancel and we can take it as 1. So here we are getting tan of alpha plus beta equal to 1. Now we have to prove that alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4 here. So write 1 in terms of tan equal to tan pi by 4, so that we can take it as alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4. Therefore alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4. Hence proved. Second problem, if a plus b equal to pi by 4, prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Second one, cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1 equal to 2. Given that a plus b equal to pi by 4, we have to prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. So that here we have to apply tan on both sides. Tan of a plus b equal to tan of pi by 4. So it implies we have tan of a plus b equal to formula tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b equal to tan pi by 4, 1. Pi by 4 means 45, so tan 45 degrees equal to 1. Now on cross multiplication we get, it implies tan a plus tan b equal to 1 minus tan a tan b. Now you write minus tan a into tan b from RHS to LHS. It implies tan a plus tan b plus tan a into tan b equal to 1. Now we have to prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. So for that we have to add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. So it implies 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan a into tan b equal to 1 plus 1. Add 1 on both sides. Therefore now 1 plus tan a, it implies 1 plus tan a plus, in these two terms tan b is common here. So take tan b common. Tan b into, here tan b into 1. So here we have to take 1 plus tan b common means we are having tan a equal to 2. Now again in these two terms 1 plus tan a is common. So 1 plus tan a if you take common into, here we have 1 plus tan b, 1 plus tan b equal to 2. So that we got 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Now second problem, It is in terms of cot. So take a plus b equal to pi by 4. Apply cot on both sides. Take a plus b equal to pi by 4. It implies cot of a plus b equal to cot pi by 4. It implies cot of a plus b formula is cot a cot b minus 1 by cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a equal to cot 45 1. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Cot 45 degrees equal to 1. Now it implies cot a into cot b minus 1 equal to cot b plus cot a. Now write cot b plus cot a from RHS to LHS. Then it becomes cot a cot b minus cot b minus cot a equal to, write minus 1 from LHS to RHS plus 1. Add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. We get cot a cot b minus cot b minus cot a plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now from these two terms we have common, in these two terms we have common cot b. So take cot b common here. So if you take cot b common, here we have cot a minus, here when you take cot b common we have 1. Then from these two terms you take minus 1 common here. Minus 1 if you take common, cot a minus 1 equal to 2. Now it implies from these two terms cot a minus 1 is common into cot b minus 1 equal to 2. Therefore cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1 equal to 2. Hence proved. If tan a minus tan b equal to x and cot b minus cot a equal to y, prove that cot of a minus b equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Given that tan a minus tan b equal to x, also we have cot b minus cot a equal to y. Cot b minus cot a equal to y. It implies 1 by tan b minus 1 by tan a equal to y. Now take LCM. It implies tan a into tan b. Tan a minus tan b equal to y. Then tan a minus tan b equal to x. X by tan a into tan b equal to y. So it implies we have from this tan a into tan b equal to x by y. Tan a into tan b equal to x by y. Now here we have to prove that cot of a minus b equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. So now cot of a minus b can be taken as 1 by tan of a minus b. Now 1 by tan of a minus b formula is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b equal to 1 plus tan a into tan b whole by tan a minus tan b. Here tan a into tan b equal to x by y. So 1 plus x by y whole by tan a minus tan b equal to x. Then it implies we have y plus x by y whole by x equal to y plus x by xy. Now separate y by xy plus x by xy. It implies we have y cancel, x cancel. So we have 1 by x plus 1 by y. Here we have to prove that cot of a minus b equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Hence proved. If tan of a plus b equal to x and tan of a minus b equal to y, find the values of tan 2a and tan 2b. Solution: given that tan of a plus b equal to x and tan of a minus b equal to y. Now we have to find tan 2a and tan 2b. Tan 2a can be taken as tan of 2a can be taken as a plus b plus a minus b. A plus a, 2a plus b minus b becomes 0. So 2a can be taken as a plus b plus a minus b. Now we have the formula tan of alpha plus beta. It is alpha and it is beta. Tan of alpha plus beta equal to formula is tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So you can take it as alpha is a plus b, beta is a minus b. So equal to tan of alpha plus tan beta whole by 1 minus tan of a plus b into tan beta tan of a minus b equal to tan of a plus b equal to x plus tan of a minus b equal to y 1 minus tan of a plus b x into tan of a minus b y. So equal to we are getting x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now we have to find tan 2b. Tan 2b equal to tan 2b can be taken as tan of a plus b minus of a minus b. Minus of a minus b. A plus b minus a plus b equal to tan 2b. So it's equal to we have tan of alpha minus beta. So tan of alpha minus beta equal to tan alpha minus tan beta whole by tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta equal to tan of a plus b given by x minus tan of a minus b y whole by 1 plus tan of a plus b x into tan of a minus b y. Therefore, tan 2b equal to x minus y by 1 plus xy, tan 2a equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy. If alpha and beta are the solutions of the equation a tan x plus b secant x equal to c, then show that tan of alpha plus beta equal to 2ac by a square minus e square. Solution: given that given equation is a tan x plus b secant x equal to c. Now, b secant x equal to c minus a tan x. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we get b secant x whole square equal to c minus a tan x whole square. It's equal to, we are having b square into secant square x, a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it implies we can take it as c square plus a square tan square x minus 2ca tan x, 2ca tan x. Now secant square x can be taken as 1 plus tan square x. It implies we have b square into 1 plus tan square x equal to c square plus a square into tan square x minus 2ca tan x. Therefore, multiply 1 plus tan square x with b square plus b square into tan square x equal to c square plus a square into tan square x minus 2ca tan x. Write b square plus b square tan square x from LHS to RHS. It implies we have c square plus a square tan square x minus 2ca tan x minus b square tan square x minus b square equal to 0. So it implies take tan square x common here. So take tan square x common, then we have a square minus b square into tan square x minus 2ca tan x plus c square minus b square equal to 0 plus c square minus b square equal to 0. It is given that alpha and beta are the solutions of this equation 1. Now, whenever alpha and beta are the solutions of equation 1, then tan alpha and tan beta will be the solutions of equation 2, because this is a quadratic equation in terms of tan x. So that tan alpha and tan beta are the solutions of this equation 2. Since alpha and beta are the solutions of equation 1, Since alpha and beta are solutions of equation 1, tan alpha and tan beta are solutions of equation 2. Since it is a quadratic equation in tan x, tan alpha and tan beta are the solutions of this equation 2. Now, tan alpha plus tan beta equal to sum of the roots formula is minus b by a. Product of the roots formula is tan alpha into tan beta equal to c by a. Now, sum of the roots equal to tan alpha plus tan beta equal to, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here a equal to a square minus b square, b equal to minus 2ca. So minus of minus 2ca by a equal to a square minus b square equal to 2ca by a square minus b square. Then tan alpha into tan beta equal to tan alpha into tan beta equal to c by a. C equal to, here we have c square minus b square by a equal to a square minus b square. C square minus b square by a square minus b square. Now we have to find tan of alpha plus beta here. So LHS equal to tan of alpha plus beta equal to, the formula for tan of alpha plus beta is tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta equal to tan alpha plus tan beta equal to, we have 2ca by a square minus b square divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta, 1 minus c square minus b square by a square minus b square. So equal to LCM a square minus b square 2ca whole by LCM a square minus b square. Now LCM a square minus b square minus of c square plus b square. B square minus b square becomes 0. A square minus b square cancel. So equal to 2ac by a square minus c square. So tan of alpha plus beta equal to 2ac by a square minus c square, which is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved.